All right, let's do this. This is chapter 7, homework number 1, uh, number 95. Solve these systems of equation using any method. So I'm looking here, and it looks like I can probably do this if I just multiply the bottom by negative and use the elimination method. So my two new equations are going to be 2x plus 3y equals 9. And now because I changed the bottom, now it's going to be 3x because now it's the opposite, minus 3y because now it's the opposite, and equals positive 6 because now it's the opposite. All right, so by doing that, this will allow me to eliminate, that's the method, eliminate the y's, and if I just add straight down, I'll get 5x equals 15. And divided by 5, our x is going to equal 3. Okay? And when we have x equals 3, we're going to utilize one of the other equations. I'll use the top. That top equation is now going to have the x equals 3 in there. So top equation 2, and then instead of x, I'm going to put 3 in there. And then copy the rest, plus 3y equals 9. Work that out, and you get 6 plus 3y equals 9. Subtract 6 from both sides. This will eliminate itself. You will have 3y equals 9 minus 6 is 3. Ooh, goody goody. Divided by 3, and you get y is 3 divided by 3, or y is 1. Right? So your x is 3, your y is 1. You can also put in a point like this. All right. Okay, letter D. We have, so looking at this, I'm going to use elimination method again, but except I'm going to multiply the bottom. I'm going to get rid of the y's again. You can get rid of the x if you like, but I'm going to get rid of the y's. And I want these y's to become 50s. 50 and negative 50, right? So I need a negative 5, or excuse me, negative 2 at the bottom. Oh, actually, no, I just need negative 10, right? So I need them. The y's to be 10. My bad. So by doing that, I'll copy the top equation down again. 9x plus 10y equals 14. On the bottom, I'll have negative 14x minus 10y. Negative 2 and negative 3 makes positive 6. And then I'm just going to add. And by doing this, I will have eliminated the y's. And this will give me 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's a negative 5x equals, and then 14 and 6 is 20. Divided by negative 5, and I get x equals 4. Okay, that's my first answer. I'm going to utilize either one of these. I'm going to use the bottom one because it's smaller. So I'm going to copy it down. 7. Instead of x, I'm going to use 4 plus 5y equals negative 3. Okay, 7 times 4 is 28 plus 5y equals negative 3. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 28. Actually, this is negative 4. 20 divided by negative 5 is negative 4, which means negative 4 here, which means positive 28. So let's go back a little bit. So which means positive 28 should have been negative 28. That was a common mistake there. So 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. So to solve that, I'm going to add 28. I noticed that it wasn't subtracting properly. So you get 5y equals, and negative 3 and positive 28 is 25 divided by 5. And you get y equals 5. So your x is 4 and your y is 5. Okay. The second one, you can find it in my second video that I'll post up. Okay, it's at the very end.